Welcome to my video. We live in Virginia, and when it snows a lot, we get excited. We haven't had a big snowstorm in a few years, and our winters can be dark, cold, and dreary. So when it snows, it brightens everything up, and we almost feel like kids again. Then it stops snowing, and it's back to reality. Time to shovel the snow out of the way so we can get out of our driveway. Hope you like the video. After the storm. Driveway's been cleared. There's some piles of snow next to it. And should do whatever works, getting rid of the snow.